Hello there and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, welcome to the Stadium Football YouTube channel. So today we've been back down at Anfield and we are going to zoom in and show you the Liverpool crest that has now been installed on the side of the Anfield stand, and we are zooming into that right now. It is. I asked one of the workers before. They said that they think it's made out of iron. And people asking. It's definitely not been painted on. It is a structure of some sort. We do believe it's iron that it is made out of. Okay. To mix things up, bit of a change. We are flying around the other way today. Just before we continue, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. You can leave us a comment in the comment section below, share this video with your family and friends, and smash that like button as well. So, now we've got that out of the way. Don't forget, we do go live from the site every Sunday at 11 AM. And that will be no different tomorrow, even though it's Father's Day. We will be down there giving you a quick live update. So let's get on with it. Not much happening on the roof today. On the sides of the stands there's more happening, to be honest, like the fitting cladding, and we'll show you how much stock materials, whatever you want to call it, is there as well. Is coming up in a second. If you've seen our live last week and we were wondering what this box is, as we said in the live, it is definitely an access point to get materials on and off the site more easily. So there it is. You see, it's got steps on and stuff now. So that is how they're getting everything in and out now. So as we said, there's some like cladding, steel pills, all ready to go, waiting to go up onto the stand. So that is still all there, waiting to go up. These guys on, is it called the cherry picker? The red thing? It's called a cherry picker or something like that. They are fitting more cladding onto the side. I think they're going to just be covering that section with the rest of the cladding, and then I believe this part here next to that, where it's kind of blank, that is going to be brickwork. I think, judging by the other one, judging by the main stand. It's been finished. So let's move on. We're just getting a bit of altitude just to make sure that I get over this main stand, because it is the biggest stand on the site. So I was having a look before, and I've done 43 videos on this particular site now, and I've flown over this main stand countless times, and I've never ever noticed this one I'm about to show you now. So see this? I'm guessing this is some sort of, this is anything to do with the expansion. This is just something I noticed. I've never noticed it. I'm guessing it's the access point to get to the roof. I always wondered how he got up. But yeah, there you go. If you didn't know that, he's now. Okay. So we've got a little surprise for you. So out of all the videos, we've finally caught something being fitted into the stand. Now, don't get too excited. It's only a bit of only a piece of concrete, but it's being fitted in. I think we're going to speed this up for you because it does take like a couple of minutes. We just happened to be there as they were doing it, so you can see there's not much left on the pitch now. There's not much material left, and whether they're bringing more in remains to be seen. If you notice the way they've joined the main stand and the Anfield Road at the top, you would have seen that then if you just the top left corner, you can see there, top of your screen towards the left, it's now been joined up. Okay, we've cut this part down because it just takes too long, so we've just like sped it up a bit by editing some of it out. And as I say, there's not much going on the roof today. It's more like inside and down the sides. So, can you guess where this is going? That's right, it's going right in that gap there. They might even finish the rest of these today. I don't know. They are well on the way to completing the rest of that concrete in. Just going into place now. We don't watch it getting connected in. We just watch it fill the gap, and then we will move on. There we go. Down into the gap it goes. Okay, I think we'll move on now. On to the next part of the video. Not much else happening I can see from the inside really. Moments. So let's move on. When it's zoomed in, the drone, it's a bit more temperamental to get a smooth turning. That's why it's a bit touchy. But just to show as well, we are right out of the way of anyone working on a roof or anything like that. That was zoomed right in. We are like nearly above the top. Just so you know. Okay, so last video we showed you there was lots of materials on big wagons in the Sir Kenny Dalglish car park. They've now gone. I'm guessing they've been put up or stored in a different location. We're just going to take a look at what these are doing before we finish this particular update. Okay, let's take a look at this. I think these guys are fitting steel poles or something when we'll take a look, see what they're doing. I think they're just coming away. I think they're just fitting some of them steel beams that are going horizontally across. By the way, there's a little look at the. Trying to find out. You see where these 3 windows are on the Centenary? There's a little white box next to them 3 windows. In fact, I'm going to mark it. Just anyone know what they are? That is the end of this update for this week. If anyone does know what they are, let me know in the comments, please. Okay. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.